get this set up right. All right. Hey girl, welcome or welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Sha'Kenya and welcome back to another daily vlog. The family and I, we're about to go out. We are going to the Color Factory in New York City. Just in case you don't know my location, we're in NYC. And yeah, I just finished getting dressed. Packed up my little belt bag. On my Karen and Rita's little packaging here. I am going to do a review on them. I don't know if the review is going to go up before or after this video, but just in case, just let you know. And yeah, so happy to see you guys again. I know I have not done a vlog in a very, very long time. It's been a while, a few months, I believe. Amir, your phone is very loud. So yeah, about to do a fit check, and then that's it, we out the door. My pants are super duper tight. Oh, they're tight. Whoa, but look at us now. Oh, they count us down. Alright, so doing the fit check. You know, most of the time we do the fit check with the Crocs on, because we don't wear shoes in the house. So I'm wearing a Zara shirt, Zara jeans, Christian Dior belt bag, and I'm gonna wear some Adidas. Yeah, but don't have those on yet, like I said, because we don't wear shoes in the house. I'm not gonna wear any bracelets because I cannot find my David Yurman, and I'm not gonna wear my Louis Vuitton one because it's brown and it could possibly go, but I'm not gonna wear it. Amir, can we do a fit check, sir? Stand back. Amir's not trying to cooperate right now, but he's wearing a shirt from Zara and some pants from Zara. Right? And he got his fro back. He had braids. I'm gonna insert a picture because I didn't vlog when he had his braids. We'll do the whole fit check in the what's that called, in the hallway. But I wanted to just show y'all real fast my fragrance of the day, fragrances, because I'm wearing more than one. This right here, this Fenty and Baccarat, when I tell y'all, exquisite. It smells so good. Excuse me, Mary. Gotta fix those blinds. I wanted to wear my Fenty today, but then I also wanted to wear Baccarat. So I was like, let me just see how they smell together, and they smell good. So, are you controlling the TV from the bathroom? Okay. So yeah, that's it. Like I said, we'll see you in the hallway. Stop playing. We'll see you in the hallway. That's what we're gonna do, our fit check. Anyways, I don't want to get copywritten, cause silly. All right, Amir, what you wearing? Press the button. Let's do your fit check. You got the Loewe shirt. I don't remember the jeans. I'll link them below.
I think they like EPTM something.
Okay.
Cargo pants.
And Dior sneakers.
Dinky cap on.
Mama.
Amir. Yes, Mama. Amir has on a Zara shirt, Zara pants, and his white Uptowns.
Hairstyle like daddy.
Hairstyle like daddy. His book. And I have on my Zara shirt, like I said to y'all, my Zara jeans, Christian Dior bag, belt bag, and my Stan Smith. Come on. Man, where you about to go? And we got a little carrying a dust bag, because don't nobody be feeling like carrying around that big diaper bag no more. So I gotta get me a small bag for his stuff. Mia Ray actually, she just released her fanny packs again. And I was thinking about getting one because she was like, y'all can use that as diaper bag too. And I was like, maybe I could. So, yeah, that's that. We'll see y'all when we get downtown. So we're about to get into the Uber now. You don't gonna. That smells good.
This one I better do me, I no get time. Dada cover my face, calling me biggie man, we do what's it going? G-Wagon, all depend. The girl them ride the whip. I know we die for nothing. What's it going? G-Wagon, all depend. The girl them ride the whip. I know we die for nothing. Make you know say anything when you do, they must commend it. So anything when they do, or they try to do, I'm way. Plenty survive with the face. Just to make your money day. But my people then go say I know one buy, I know one die, I know one payment. I want enjoy, I want job life, I want buy motor, I want build house, I still want to know. Let me tell you, what's it going? G-Wagon, all depend. The girl them ride the whip. I know people die for nothing. What's it going? G-Wagon, all depend. The girl them ride the whip. I know people. Different things them happening, schemes and packaging. In a one night for shows, I'm juggling. Flow like the ocean, port I'm paddling. Sharashina Bella, that's my bro, my family. Frozen trains. When it comes to money, I they concentrate. Look at the straight.
You are so sweet.
If you become a shit, I'll be head of state. But my people then go
Get y'all together. Hey y'all. So I'm back in the house. We just got back from the Color Factory. We had a good time. At first Amir was cranky, but he started to warm up. Let me wash my hands first of all because I gotta get out food for dinner, which I should have done before we left. Let me just tell y'all something, okay? Because the sadness that I felt when we was in that Uber coming back to the Bronx, I need help. And I say this to say, right? It's just like, I don't want to live here. I don't want to be here. No, let me stop. But no. We were just in the Uber, right? So I'm just like, oh my God. Like, I literally was so sad. And I was sad because I want to live in Manhattan. So if y'all don't know, well, obviously the people who know me know that I've lived in Harlem my whole life. Now we are in the Bronx and it's just very different. No offense to nobody that's from the Bronx because, you know, where you from is where you from. And everybody, you know, most people at the end of the day, no matter what, they just love where they from and they rep where they from. But I'm just not a Bronx girl. Respectfully, I'm not a Bronx girl and the Bronx is just not for me. It's just very different, number one. Different in, like, the people are different. The people are angry in the Bronx. I don't care what nobody say. And I said no offense, and I still mean no offense, but it's the truth, okay? And what y'all want me to do, lie? It is the truth. The people in the Bronx are just, they're mean. They're miserable. They act miserable. They're mean. It's such a difference. Like, when we first moved here, it was just such a difference. I was like, wow, the people are so different. It's like, they're angry 24/7. Like, it's very rare that I walk down the street and just see somebody and they're like, you know, like, smiling. Like, it's really a big difference. And it's not that nobody smiles. Like, even, like, my neighbors, people that's in my building, yeah, some of them are nice. For the most part, everybody's nice. Like, I haven't had a bad experience, but it's just, like, walking around in the Bronx, like, no. No. It's very different. And, this is just me being transparent. It's poverty in the Bronx. Like, it's poverty everywhere, right? Like, in general. But it's literally a difference in the Bronx. It really is. And it's not me like looking down on the Bronx or anything like that. I'm just being I'm just keeping it 100. Like, it's just very different. And I just don't like living in the Bronx. I just don't. And I'm just like, I want to go, like, I mean, I would love to live in Harlem, but ideally I want to live in Manhattan, or I wouldn't even mind living in Brooklyn, but it's just where I want to live. Like, really? If I tell y'all where I want to live, y'all gonna be like, girl, I don't care. I want to live in a brownstone. And a few weeks ago, what was we watching? I don't remember, but I had told Amir's dad, I was like, I'm gonna give me my brownstone. I don't know how, but I'm gonna give me my brownstone, and I mean it. If I don't get a brownstone, it's just gonna be because I changed my mind. But if I don't change my mind, I'm giving me my brownstone. So remember that I told y'all this, because that's just where I want to be. And even when we was downtown, we was in Soho, and he like, oh, I don't want to live down here because these apartments is whack. And my thing is just that I don't care about like our apartment is really, really nice, right? It's really nice. We have floor to ceiling windows, stuff like that. We have stainless steel appliances. Hold on, my battery's dying. Okay, so back to what I was saying. So we have stainless steel appliances. We have a very modern apartment, right? But we're in the Bronx, and it's just like, and we're not deep in the Bronx, but which helps because I don't want to be deep in the Bronx because I want to be as close to the city as possible. Which, like I said, I'm grateful for. I'm grateful for all of it. I'm glad that I have somewhere to live, but I'm just like, dang, like, I really just want to be in Manhattan. I just really do. And I know that y'all, I don't know if you saw it before, but I had, I'm going to put it on the screen, like, one of these sides or whatever. I was, like, talking before in a vlog about, like, how much it costs to live downtown. And ideally, I would love to live, like, midtown, in Midtown, but I just feel like, I don't know if that's worth it, like, to be really honest with you and realistic. Like, I just feel like I don't know if that's worth it just because it's like, why would you pay that much for rent? Like, why would you do that? Why? Like, no matter how rich I am, like, I just don't know if it ever would make, like, if I was to become so rich that I could afford an apartment in Midtown, like, on 5th Avenue. Because that's where we was at when we was talking about it before. We was talking about, I forgot who lived there, but I can't remember. But anyways, like I said, I'm going to put the video. But it just was like, that is just so expensive. And I'm not a person who's like, oh, why are you renting? You need to own. Like, I don't care about that because, number one, I've lived in a house before. Not once, not twice, but 3 times. 3 times. I'm just not a house girl. Like, I'm not a house girl. I don't care for that. Like, that's just not my thing. I don't care about, like, multiple entrances. Like, that is another thing that scares the mess out of me. Hold on. So, anyways, not him calling me saying, oh, you can't just take out chicken and come back outside, huh? Relax. Relax. Everybody relax. But, what was I saying? I don't even remember. Oh. Yeah, I'm just, like, I've experienced living in a house, and that's just not my cup of tea. Like, I'm not that girl. I don't care about renting. Like, and another thing, too, everybody's always like, oh, why are you renting? Oh, that's crazy that you pay that much for rent. Have you ever lived in a home before? Have you? Have you? And if you have, you really shouldn't be saying that because most people that say stuff like that never lived in a house. Because, first of all, living in a house is very expensive. It's different. Every time something breaks, you got to come out your pocket for that. It's you. The only type of home that I would be okay living in would be a townhome. And that is something that I have put a lot of thought into. It's so hard for me, though, because it's like, honestly, that would be my ideal place to live besides living in a brownstone or, like, a high-rise. Right in the city, because it's like I really want a townhome. Like, I wouldn't mind living in a townhome. I'm not gonna say I really want one. I wouldn't mind living in one, but I'm really a city girl at heart, and I just prefer to just like be in an apartment. Like, I feel safe. I want a doorman. Like, that's what I want to do. Like, I don't want to live somewhere where I just feel like somebody could just bust through my windows, come. I'm not trying to be negative, but I don't like that. I just don't like it. Like, I don't like it. So that's just how I feel, honestly. Like, I just don't, no. Nope, high-rise me, apartment me, please. Like, I don't care about that. Like I said, I've not lived in a house once or twice, but 3 times, and it's just not my thing. Like, I just, I'm okay. And then the expenses, I'm good. I'm just good. So, and that don't mean that I'm never gonna live in a house, because you never know, I might change my mind. But I just really want to be in an apartment in Manhattan. And I just was like, dang, like, we going back to the Bronx. So yeah, that was my little talk, chit chat with y'all, because I just wanted to let y'all know how I was feeling. But at the end of the day, I just want to let y'all know, wherever you live at, as long as you have somewhere to live, be grateful. Because I had to say that when I was in the cab, I was like, well, I am grateful though, and I am grateful to have somewhere to stay, to rest my head, because I don't want to be homeless. So I definitely will say that I am grateful for where I do live. But it's just like, I just want to be in the city. I just want to go outside. I just want to walk in Central Park. And I just want everything to be a breeze. Like, you know what I'm saying? I don't even think we really need these shrimps. I feel like we're going to be good with this chicken. Yeah, I'm not making shrimps. We're going to be good with this chicken. So, yeah, I just wanted to let y'all know how I was feeling. Just went to y'all real fast. This vlog is super duper short. I don't know if I'm going to. I just might extend it because it's just so short. I don't know. I don't want to lie to y'all. I really don't know. But I just feel like it was just us getting ready, outfit check, then you seeing a montage or whatever of us at the color factory, and then now I'm back home telling y'all about how bad I don't want to live in the Bronx. So I might extend it, I might not. I'm gonna try. Maybe I can get some content of us later, I don't know. But I'm about to go back downstairs now because they in the park waiting for me. So yep, I'll check y'all later, and I'm gonna leave the camera upstairs because I'm not vlogging while we outside right now.